What is that? Oh, that's the weirdo bird. It's a rare bird. It's such a treat. It's sitting right in the tree out there. Oh, wow. I've heard of the weirdo bird. Look at it out there. Oh, here comes its mate. They're out there singing love songs to each other. Listen to that. There's more than just two out there. Here comes the children and a whole bunch more. Granny! I'm going outdoors and get a picture of them. Nobody's going to believe this. He's going to chase them away. Yep, and he did too. They're all flying away now. What a rare treat that was. Very rare. It made my day. Now for one of my not-so-brighter moments. Hey, where's my belt? Where did he put it last? I don't know. I'll check in the back room. Nope, it's not in there. I'll check in the cellar. Boy. It's not in here anyplace. Did you find it? Nope. Oh, wait a minute. I got it on. There it is. He's losing it. He sure is, Charlie. I gotta stop hanging around with my brothers. I'm getting to be too much like them. Blaming us again. Hi there. Charlie here. I just got myself a collector's item record that you won't believe. I paid as little as $19.50 for it. The name of it is Hold On to What You Got. Let me show you the vinyl. What? That's why it's called Hold On to What You Got. I was ripped off. Oh, what else does it say? And get one more. I ain't not gonna get another one. That'd be another $19. Ripped off again. Oh.